Hello, my name is Chris Fisher. This is exercise 1 and the mini-level linear flowchart. I created mine on the grape harvest process. The first step of the start of my flowchart is the test of the varietal sugar levels, which would require us to go into the field, collect the different types of grapes that we have, and squeeze them for juice and get enough just for a test. Once we have a test level, which is a hygrometer, or a hygrometer is the tool that we use to test the sugar level, we use that in the tasting room and we test. And if we get above 22, we move on to my first process step, which would be notify the wine processor. After that, we would schedule labor. And then from scheduling labor, we would move on to cleaning the equipment and the facilities so that it's easy to move around with the harvest. After that, we would move into harvest and collection once everything before that has lined up. Harvest and collection usually occurs in the early morning so that we can make it to Deming before it gets hot outside. After the harvest collection is done, we move on to delivery and processing. Delivery to the processor. And after that, we return with any empty bins and unload so that we're ready for the next harvest. Thank you.